2017 Toyota RAV4. The RAV4 is one of the most fuel-efficient SUVs in its class. Versatile and efficient, RAV4 mixes the comfort and drivability of a sedan with the benefits of an SUV. This highly evolved, well-packaged crossover SUV lets you have it all. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, traction control, navigation system, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, compass, fog lights, rear window defroster, power windows, electronic stability control, heated front seats, trip computer, overhead console, remote keyless entry, tachometer, power moonroof, brake assist. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.